Check out this stunning 1965 Chevrolet Impala Convertible. This beauty is a true classic, boasting its original paint and interior. It's been meticulously restored to maintain that authentic look. The exterior of the car is in fantastic condition. Just take a moment to admire those sleek lines. And yes, it's all original. You can really appreciate the craftsmanship and attention to detail from back then. Imagine cruising down the coast with the top down, feeling the wind in your hair. Now, let's step inside. Look at these pristine black bench seats. They are incredibly comfortable and stylish. Notice how well they have held up over time. A testament to their quality construction, even though it's an older model. Everything looks clean and functional here. All the gauges work perfectly. It feels like stepping into another era. Here we go again. Checking out the radio. Tuning it in brings back memories. Don't forget about the power convertible top. It works flawlessly, allowing you to enjoy open-air driving whenever you want. Perfect for those sunny days. It's got style, comfort, and reliability. What more could you ask for? If you're looking for a unique and reliable classic car, this Impala Convertible might be just what you need. It's perfect for anyone who appreciates automotive history or simply wants a fun ride. Under the hood, we have a powerful engine. One final glance before I set off. This car is a real headbutt, trust me. You won't find many others like it. So there you have it, folks. A glimpse into automotive history. This V8 powerhouse delivers smooth performance and plenty of torque. It's ready to tackle any road trip or weekend adventure. So if you're looking for a classic car with character, this 1965 Impala Convertible might be perfect for you. Thanks for watching this video tour. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, comment below, and subscribe for more amazing content.